Hi, this is Matt, and this is our physics project.
And this is Drew.
Oh.
Today we'll be going over Newton's 3 laws: impulses, kinetic energy, projectile motion, gravity, and friction in baseball.
Newton's first law of motion states that an object in motion stays in motion, and an object at rest stays at rest, unless acted on by an outside force. This is demonstrated when a pitcher throws a baseball. The ball would continue in a straight line, but it's disturbed by both air resistance and gravity, causing it to fall towards the ground. Go.
Okay, for our next concept, it's Newton's second law, and Newton's second law says that force equals mass times acceleration. This is demonstrated in baseball because there are a lot of different sizes of players. For example, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. weighs 250 pounds, so he has a lot more mass than a person like Jose Altuve, who weighs 165 pounds. Both of these players can hit the ball very far because they both hit a lot of home runs. But Jose Altuve is able to generate a lot more acceleration with his bat than Vladimir Guerrero Jr.
Go.
Situation where Charlie Montoya will ask him to play third.
1-1 is drilled to right field and deep and gone. With 2 down. There they go.
Hammer deep left field. Get way out of here. See ya, darling. And the Astros get on the board. It's now a 1-run game.
Go.
Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. When a catcher catches the ball hits its mitt. The force of the ball on the glove is equal and directly opposite to the force of the glove on the ball. Drew's a catcher, by the way.
Bro.
Sorry.
For our next concept, we chose to do impulses, and impulses are everywhere in baseball. When a batter holding a bat hits a ball, they exert an impulse on the ball, changing the momentum and trying to hit as far as they can.
Played. The 1-0 pitch, he bunts up along third on the chalk. Fair ball, fair ball, fair ball, fair ball, fair ball, fair ball, and fair ball. All the way down the line.
Young with a bunt, and it's going to end up in shallow right field. Wow, okay. Longest bunt in baseball history starts the game for Eric.
Our next concept is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is used in baseball when the pitcher generates energy with his body and transfers it to the ball, while the hitter generates kinetic energy with his body and to the bat.
And go. For our next concept, we chose to do projectile motion. Projectile motion is not a topic we've discussed in class, but it is the motion of an object that continues in motion by its own inertia. In baseball, a batter sends the ball with projectile motion into the air when they hit a ball.
The force of gravity is always active in baseball, pulling the ball towards the ground. For example, when a fly ball is hit, because of gravity, the ball is being pulled down. Without gravity, the ball would just continue to go upwards. The acceleration is always negative 9.8 meters per second squared on the ball.
High pop-up, sky high, right around the netting. Here comes Swihart, and backing up, and he can't get it.
Before the superstars of the present get in. That ball popped way up. Tough play.
And Mother Nature is doing her.
For our last concept, we chose to do the force of friction. When a batter slides into second base, third base, or home, they use the force of friction in order to stop. Another example of using the force of friction in baseball is when there's a ground ball. The reason why the baseball stops is due to the force of friction.
Bobbled, Bichette fires low, and everybody is safe.
In conclusion, there's physics in baseball.